Ngiyanibingelela undaba izitha lo okhulumayo. Bengilele kodwa ngathi ngiyaphaphama kancane. Ngazwa ilizwi elithi uyinkosi yenkosi yezizwe. I was sleeping, well, half asleep, and I heard a voice that said, "You are a king of kings of nations." And today I wanted to share that message, and I am feeling grateful because my woman helped me. My car has been parked, and for the past 3 months, I was not able to drive it because I didn't have money to pay for the license disc. And she decided to pay for me, and we've been struggling. So I couldn't have the balls to ask her to help me with that, because she's been helping me with so many things. And ndiyabulela kakhulu ngaye ngokubana ekhona empilweni yami. Ngenye imini nizombona. So anyways, I will just show you this short video I took today. I just got my disc, and I can drive my car again. And for me, this has got an impactful spiritual meaning. If you guys know what a car means in a dream, and but now in this case, this is not a dream, this is like real life. The red car that I've been driving, maybe some of you have seen it, but so today I can drive in peace. I don't have to worry about the cops stopping me. And so I do want to say thank you to her, and also to my daughter, who's 3 years old. She's been guiding me spiritually in this journey. So ndibulela kubadala, ndibonga uNkulunkulu. It's been a lonely journey. It's been a lonely journey with no friends, unemployed, broken. But namhlanje I feel like celebrating. It's the 29th of May 2025. Isilo siyanibingelela. The spiritual journey is so humbling. I've been broke, and my license disc expired end of January, and I couldn't even drive my car, and I'm only renewing it now. Today is 29th of May, and my partner helped me. She paid for this, and ndibulela uNkulunkulu nabantu abadala bamgcine kunzima kule ndlela.